Morning guys! For me, after an early morning yoga or stretching, an excellent breakfast will keep my body awake. It keeps my mind fresh to take the task which I have lined up for the day. My breakfast today is the Japanese souffle pancakes, and I will show you how to make this pancake at home. Believe me, you will fall in love with these fluffy pancakes once you have a taste of it. It also matches perfectly with some fruits, jams, or even honey. So, let's start to make our souffle pancake. First, we need to separate the two egg whites. Be careful of any egg yolk, water, oil that makes its way into the whites. Will keep it from wiping out. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh milk. Whisk the egg yolk until they are well mixed. Then, mix 4 tablespoons of cake flour with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Shift the flour over the yolk mixture and mix well. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it. Next, we need to start preparing our meringue. Whisk the egg whites with an electric hand mixer on medium-high speed. Gradually add 2 tablespoons of sugar into the egg whites. Add around 1/3 of sugar at a time. This may take a couple of minutes to get meringue to reach stiff peak. We need a bit of patience to get this done. Here are some tips. If the sugar is added all in once at the beginning, it is difficult to incorporate the sugar and egg white. Also, we may lose some of our airy egg white bubbles. This is the common mistake that makes the souffle pancake collapse. When the meringue is done, mix 1/3 of it into the batter. Then add the remaining meringue into the batter and fold them gently. Do not overmix them, just stop as soon as they combine evenly. Heat up a non-stick pan with medium-low heat and add in a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Remove the excess oil by using a kitchen towel. I usually pipe the batter with a piping bag, but you can also use a spoon to scoop it on the pan. Pour a little water on the pan, close the lid and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. The souffle pancakes are ready to flip when the top looks almost completely cooked. Flip the pancake by using a spatula. Again, add in some water, close the lid and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Our souffle pancakes are done. I love to have it with homemade berry jam. Coated it with some honey and unsalted butter. This really brightens up my day. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.